Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to get the correct Bluehost email, SMTP, and POP configuration details. So without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to bluehost.titan.email. Then fill in your Bluehost email address. Mine is noreply@bentutorial.com. Click on next. Then fill in your Bluehost email password. If you don't remember it, you can simply click on forgot password, and follow the process. Click on login. Now that you're inside your Bluehost email inbox, click on settings and scroll down to enable Titan on other apps. Click on it. As you see, third-party email service enabled successfully. Now to get the correct Bluehost SMTP and POP server or servers, click again on settings and scroll down to configure third-party apps. Before it was something like enable third-party apps. Now it is configure. Click on it. You will land on this page. Scroll down again, scroll down a little bit, and those are the correct SMTP and POP configuration details. I will zoom in on the first part. By the way, you can use here I am zooming in, or I am zooming on this part of the page, just in case Bluehost deleted this page, or deleted this page, or it is not accessible in your case. You can copy the SMTP add server from here like that. The port is 465, and for the encryption method, go with the SSL. That was for the IMAP or the SMTP server that you may need to connect your Bluehost email to, for example, third-party apps like Gmail or your MacBook Mail, for example. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. For example, third-party apps like Gmail or your MacBook Mail, for example. And for the POP configuration details, here they are: the email address, the password, username, incoming server, POP server, the port, and the SSL or the encryption. And this is how to get the correct Bluehost email configuration details like SMTP and POP tree. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.